Hello guys, Tiger Downport here, and today I'm going to show you this 2002 remote control robot, space robot ranger. Very, very cool. Bought them off of eBay when I was about at least about like 8 years old for about like $20. Uh, Very, very rare. This item though you cannot find in stores. This one you can only find in uh, like eBay or Avon, especially Avon. But anyways, uh, uh, his arms do move, and and since this is a rare item, he only has one arm that moves. The other one tries to move, but it doesn't because it's very old. He was made in 2002, but he has eyes that light up, and to be honest, I don't think he's a wowie. He's more like, I guess he come like, I guess he came from like Radio Shack or something back in like 2002 or something. But uh, anyways, oh yeah, he has a IR sensor or something. Yeah, he has an IR sensor. He's a room guard too, so like you can use him for a toy, or you can use him for an emergency room protection display thing, to where like if somebody comes in your room and tries to steal some of your stuff, it'll go off, the lights will flicker, and he'll say like warning, warning or something to let you know that somebody's in your room or something. The alarm is kind of loud too, so yeah. And anyways, he's remote control too, so you can. This is the fun part of him though. You can use this remote control to make him move around. This button makes him go forward. This button makes him go uh, left. This one makes him go right. Very cool. And this button right here, this little button right here, if you push it, this little speak hole right here, this little tiny little hole right there, you can put your mouth into it and you can speak through them, and the voice comes out. Right here. Yeah, there's the LED lights too. He has like LED lights too. Anyways, uh, very, very nice item. Uh, so I'm gonna turn him around and show you the back of him. Also, very nice detail on the back of him. He has like a little jetpack for like looks or something like that. Yeah, it's just for looks, you know. Uh, uh, yes, this makes him walk. I guess I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I just know he just walks and stuff. Here's the back of him where you turn them on and stuff. Here, this is the on and off switch. And anyways, we'll turn him back around, and I'll turn him on to demonstrate. Oh yeah, and by the way, this robot, it has like a little walkie-talkie thing in there, like a recorder or something, that it picks up people's signals, uh, like people having conversations or something. It'll pick up, and it'll you can hear words. You can hear people speaking on the robot and stuff. It's kind of weird, but other than that, I'm gonna turn them on. Oh yeah, when you first turn them on, yeah, it's like a little static sound. When you first turn them on, that's just the frequency. That's just the recording and stuff that's running. But anyways, let me turn them on, and that's the static you're hearing. But anyways, I'm gonna move my hand over it. What you do is you move your hand over it, and it makes like a, he says the warning or whatever. I guess it's kind of sensitive a little bit. Oh, okay, I got a good idea. I got an idea. Let's turn the light on. There you go. That's better. Yeah, I told you it's loud. Yeah. The remote takes a 9-volt. I don't have the back for it. It got lost somehow. Same with the robot. It takes 4 AA batteries on the back of the feet, and it's got wheels under there that makes him move. That when the wheels move, he moves. So yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna turn them on. And when you hear that noise, that just means the remote's on. If you do this. Oh. Hello? Do you copy? 2394651. There you go. You talk through them like that. Like this. 2694631. Operation control. Yeah, it's got like the little microphone thing. It's very annoying, kind of. Just try to ignore that as much as possible. Okay, so I'm going to press the button that makes it go forward. He has stomping sounds. Then he has when you turn this way, he makes like robotic sounds. Same thing when you turn him left, he makes robotic sounds. So let me go on with the video, and so let me go on with the operation. So when you push this button. When you push any of the 3 of these buttons, his eyes will light up solid. So let me push this one. See, I told you only one arm kind of moves, and the one arm just moves barely too. He's very old. So you can turn them this way, turn them right. And you can make them go this direction. And then you can make them go right. No, that's a bad. Oh crap! It's gonna fall off. I better move them back some. So let me move them a little bit. You can go like that. And that was my Robo Ranger robot.